Hello there mga ka-chicks! Welcome to my small vlog. For today's video, it's our second day here in Azerbaijan and our first stop is in Mud Volcano. Did you know that Azerbaijan has the most mud volcanoes of any country spread broadly across the country? It's 350 of the volcanoes of the world are in Azerbaijan Republic. At medyo malayo din siya sa Baku ha. It's around 1 hour and 5 minutes yung travel namin papunta dyan. At talagang napakalubak ng daanan. Buti na lang ang aming sinakyan is Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, it's true. It's MB ang aming sasakyan papunta dyan. Nakikita nyo yan. Sobrang dami ng tao at ng sasakyan kasi syempre mga turista yan. Diba? So, ayun yung kanilang mud volcano. Siguro kung medyo mabibigyan pa yan siya ng pansin at mabibigyan ng budget ng kanilang government, mas gaganda talaga yung lugar na yan. Kasi as far as I know, mud volcano is having benefit also to our skin. Mud can have different and varied compositions. For example, mud containing radioactive elements and sulfur that helps to relieve rheumatism, skin disease, liver and spleen problems. It is also said to have benefits for the stomach and digestive system. Some mud baths contain volcanic ash and various minerals. Siyempre, pag sinabi nating mud volcano, it seems so hot. Yes, it seems so hot, diba? Parang pag tinouch mo, mapapasok or ano. Pero hindi. Sobrang lamig. As in, mud volcano temperatures can range from the 100°C to 212 Fahrenheit to occasionally 2 Celsius to 36 Fahrenheit. Some being used as popular mud baths. So, lahat ng yang mga bulubundukin na yan is lahat yan mga small mud volcanoes. O, diba? So, ayan, tayo ay pabalik na sa dun sa labasan sa may kanto. Ipasasakay niya na ulit kami dun sa aming van kasi mula dun sa location na pinagbabaan ng van namin sa amin, sumakay kami ng napakalumang Mercedes-Benz. Pero wag ka, ay talaga naman kahit tumitilapon kami sa sobrang rough road nung daan, bongga naman si Kim mo, as in ang galing niya magmaneho dyan kasi Diyos ko, parang ang laki-laki niyang lalaki pero wag ka, napakalit nung kanyang sasakyan. And it's true, it's MB, Mercedes-Benz. So that's all, bye.